Hey everyone! Welcome to VisionX. Today we're going to answer a big question. How is AI actually changing software development? And more importantly, should developers be worried? AI is showing up in every part of the dev workflow now, writing code, reviewing pull requests, even helping with tests. But here's the deal, it's not here to replace developers. It's here to make your work faster, smarter, and less repetitive.
Let's start with the obvious, code generation. Tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT can help you write boilerplate code, suggest snippets, or even translate between programming languages.
But it's not perfect. You still need to review, test, and optimize that code. Think of it as a junior assistant, not the lead engineer. AI can also help catch bugs earlier. Some tools analyze your codebase and flag potential issues before they become real problems. Less time spent hunting bugs, more time building. Testing is another big win. AI can generate test cases, predict edge cases, and even spot risky changes during CI/CD. It will not replace QA engineers, but will help them move faster. When you think about it, less time spent on repetitive tasks, fewer bugs, and quicker testing all add up. Developers can get their code out the door faster without having to skip any important steps.
And no, AI isn't coming for developer jobs. It still can't design system architecture, work through edge cases, or grasp the business context like a human can. What it can do, though, is lighten the load, giving more time to focus on what truly matters. So AI isn't replacing developers. It's just changing how they work, making them faster, more creative, and way more productive.
Want the full breakdown? Check out the blog post links in the description. Tell us in the comments, how are you using AI in your dev work? Subscribe and hit that bell for more AI tips from the team at VisionX.